We just missed a train. It's going over the bridge we're gonna sit at here. You can see it here. We're gonna try to get ahead of it. Should we try to get ahead of it?
Yeah. Oh shoot. There we go. Oh,
damn it. There's no other way to get there?
Not unless we drive really far down the river.
Oh shit. You wanna try to get him at the crossing?
Let's try to get him. That's our only chance.
Oh yeah, we got freaking railroad too. We're screwed.
Well, we were on our way to the spot we were gonna sit at, and there was a train crossing the bridge. So we're trying to catch him at the next railroad crossing.
This is gonna be a better shot.
I guess we beat him here. We got this rail crossing. They're both sitting 50 yards from this crossing, side by side.
Yeah, being over on the other side would be ideal. I don't know if we do or not.
I think we get waves of traffic from the red lights.
Yeah, I think so. All right, guys, there they are. Two Norfolk Southern sitting right next to each other. Guys, we're back at the truck because it's taking a while. We think they're switching crews. Some minivans just pulled in. The guys got in, so we think they're probably switching crews.
Now, up. Not really worried about that.
Westward track.
No defects.
No defects.
That's the DD. Yeah, let's move. You wanna go?
Yeah.
Hold it. Let's try to beat him.
Gotta beat him.
Yeah, we got it. All right, dude, let's
I don't know
go.
if I got any of that on my GoPro. It stopped recording.
Oh, we're gonna catch it. Let's go. He's fine. He can go around us. He's got plenty of room. All right, let's go.
Ciao, this lady.
All right, guys, we just had that train come through. We actually waited way longer. We thought we might miss it, but we waited probably 5 minutes before that thing came. And I think we got some pretty cool shots. I was trying to fly and pan my camera as I went by, so it might be a little shaky, but it was pretty cool.
That was epic.
All right, is he's still here? This is where the other train was. Yep, he's still there, dude. Oh, that's a cool train too.
Yeah, but
so
it doesn't look like there's any.
Yeah. So the second train's still there. We just got back after filming the first one go by. It's still shut off though, so we were gonna go and try to do the same exact thing if it was powered up and about to leave. But I think we're gonna go get some shots of the yard, maybe get lunch. If there's nothing in the yard, maybe we'll come back and see if this one's still here. It's kind of cold.
All right, guys, we're at the.
All right, y'all. We just got lunch. We're back. I'm gonna send this thing up, try to get some shots of the yard, see what it looks like from above. See if there's any engines in it. All right, well, ended up that train's sitting there still. After we got lunch, we flew over the yard, got some shots of that, but that train's still sitting there. We're gonna head up to a different line, sit on it, hopefully get a Canadian Pacific or something up there. All right, guys, we're out of time today. We got that Norfolk Southern twice though, which was freaking awesome, side by side, which is really cool. So nothing at the spot, unfortunately, but a good spot picked out across the way here, so which is pretty cool. So we'll be back out soon. So see you guys.